How's it going, guys? Josh Olufemii live from LA, and we are once again going back to New York City. Why? Because we're going to be learning about product replicas and animation by one of the channel's favorite teachers, Quinn Murphy. Quinn is an extremely talented content creator that literally flies around the world creating sick edits, as well as some extremely dope VFX and stop motion pieces for a bunch of famous people and her IG feed. But first, of course, we're going to talk about Envato Elements. If you're watching this video, you're probably a video editor, and Envato Elements is a video editor's dream. It's a subscription service that gives you unlimited downloads of the most incredible stock footage, like cloud and fog overlays, aerial footage, fire, lightning. They also have incredible VFX packs, Premiere and After Effects templates, sound effects, royalty-free music, and literally anything you could ever want as a video editor. Just by clicking the link below, you will automatically get a free first month. You'll see that coupon for the free first month at the very end after you've finished signing up. And that's it. I use Elements literally in some regard every day. Quinn, the floor is yours.
What's up, Josh? It's good to be back. Today I'm going to show you guys a really cool trick that you can use to elevate your product photography. Let's say you're shooting with just one product and you really want to create some cool visual, but you feel limited because you only have that one product to work with. A great workaround for this is to actually replicate the product in post. By doing this, you can create super cool, aesthetically pleasing, colorful photos that stand out. All you need for this is a small backdrop, one light, your camera, and Photoshop. So first thing I did was set up my backdrop and my light. Also pay attention to the angle of your light because we'll be creating shadows in post. Then I set up my camera angle and went ahead and snapped some photos. Then brought my photos into Lightroom and did some editing on them, exported it, and brought it into Photoshop. Photoshop can be a little bit tricky, so bear with me. Now we're going to cut out the product from the background. To do this, you're going to go over and click the selection tool. Then you're going to highlight the product. Make sure you get all the details and nothing is left out. Then go ahead and click select and mask. Make sure your output is to a new layer. And then click OK. Next, we're going to create a shadow. Take your layer and duplicate it. This will be your shadow layer, so go ahead and rename it to shadow. Hold down Command T and drag the image to the angle that you want your shadow. Then select the layer by holding down Command and clicking on the layer. Now head over to the gradient tool and drag it in the direction of the shadow. Add some Gaussian blur. Change the blending mode to multiply. Lower the opacity down. Then put your shadow layer behind your product layer. And finally hit Command D to deselect the layer. Now that we have our product with our shadow, we're going to create the replicas. So you're going to want to select both layers and duplicate them. Then go ahead and line everything up how you like. Feel free to mess around with scaling and spacing and sizing. And there you have it. Now you can create really cool images that look like they were done in some big studio with a huge setup. If you end up using this trick, making some cool product photos, make sure to send them to me because I would love to check them out. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and thanks for watching.
Quinn, thanks so much again for such an incredible tutorial. It's always good seeing you killing it on the East Coast. Thanks so much for watching the video, guys. I actually have 2 additional videos that you've got to watch. And remember to get your free month of Envato Elements by clicking the link below in the description. And lastly, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And as always, remember to keep it chill.